A custodial parent is the parent, relative, or guardian who lives with and is the primary caretaker of the child or children. The custodial parent will be the one who receives child support payments. Custodial parents can be young or old, male or female, and represent every income level and ethnicity. Here are some of their stories. After establishing a child support order, Nita has been receiving regular payments for her 2 kids from her ex-husband, Ravi. Betty is raising her grandchildren and receives support from her daughter, Anna, who lives in another state. Ava has just become the guardian of her teenage niece. They are both receiving cash assistance. Marvin is the custodial parent for his son, Joe, and is working with OCSE to collect support payments from Joe's mother, Sarah, who hasn't made payments in months. Sophia recently broke up with Marco, the father of her son, David. Let's follow her story as she works with OCSE to establish a child support order. The application process is the first step in opening a child support case. Custodial parents will take slightly different paths to child support depending on whether their children are receiving cash assistance or not. Custodial parents receiving cash assistance will get a mandatory referral to an OCSE borough office. All other custodial parents come voluntarily to the OCSE family court location, like Sophia. No matter which path a custodial parent takes, an OCSE caseworker will work with them to complete the child support application. So, how does child support work when the children are active on cash assistance? When custodial parents receive government cash assistance and/or Medicaid for their children, child support is paid by the non-custodial parent directly to the Department of Social Services in order to repay the government for cash assistance. Even if cash assistance or Medicaid ends, the child support case continues until the children are emancipated. In addition to cash assistance, custodial parents who work with OCSE may also receive a pass-through bonus of up to $200 per month when the non-custodial parent pays current child support. This is in addition to their cash assistance grant. Custodial parents who are not on cash assistance, like Sophia, start the child support process on their own. Sophia is doing this to make sure that her son, David, gets consistent support from both parents. Custodial parents not receiving cash assistance receive 100% of all support paid by the non-custodial parent, aside from an annual $25 administrative fee. At OCSE, a caseworker asks Sophia questions and helps her open her child support case. The caseworker also screens Sophia for any domestic violence concerns. This part of the process is the same for all custodial parents. Using the information Sophia has provided, OCSE then locates David's father, Marco, the non-custodial parent. Once the non-custodial parent has been located and served court papers, a hearing is scheduled in family court. If the court has all the required information and documents, a child support order is established. Custodial parents like Sophia should bring several documents to the OCSE application appointment and to court. These documents help to locate the non-custodial parent, move the case to court, and establish the child support order. If possible, the custodial parent should gather the following documents: a photo ID, the birth certificate for all of the children who will be on the order, a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or separation papers if those apply, an acknowledgement of paternity or order of filiation from family court if those apply. Additionally, be prepared to provide information on the non-custodial parent, such as last known address and phone number, a recent photograph, Social Security number or individual tax identification number, date and place of birth, and parents' places of birth and names, including the mother's maiden name. Sophia arrives at the OCSE caseworker's office to talk about child support and start the application process. She brought the required documents and has all of Marco's contact information. The caseworker reviews her information and lets Sophia know she's ready to go to family court to establish the order. Remember, OCSC is here to partner with parents and help them navigate the child support process from start to finish. Working together, we can lift up children.